Hey everyone, Matt here with Moesif to show you how to integrate your GraphQL API with the Moesif platform. So what I've done, just as a demonstration, is created a very simple GraphQL API here, which you can see on my screen. I've got a query type which has data 1, 2, and 3, have some resolvers that are just going to resolve to some strings, and then basically just bring that GraphQL endpoint up on localhost port 4000 / GraphQL is what I'm going to be doing. So we can see how it works right now. Well, I've already sent a request here, but we get back, this GraphQL response. Right now, this isn't integrated with Moesif, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to come over here to the Moesif homepage and click on Sign Up. Now you can sign up with GitHub, Google, or your Microsoft account, but for this, what we'll do is we'll create one with a username and password, well, an email and password. So put mine in here and get started. Now we'll enter our organization name, which I'll say my org, app name, which could be my app, what best matches your role. I'm going to pick engineering. And you can also specify what you're hoping to achieve, and this helps us to help you. So you could do drive platform adoption, improve developer experience, and so on and so forth. We are going to select understand API usage for right now. Then there's a quick overview here of what Moesif can do for you. So understanding API usage, debug issues quickly, and monitor and protect your APIs. What we'll do is click next. And then we'll be at this quick install page. And from here, we want to make sure we've got Node.js because that's what we've built our GraphQL API in, and click Apollo GraphQL. Now from here, we're going to want to make sure that we install this into our project. So I'm going to come back over to VS Code and run this here to install the Moesif Node.js plugin. So that package has been installed. Now our next step is to include Moesif and import it. So we'll do that underneath here. Then I'm also going to take this Moesif middleware portion of it because you're probably already going to have this within your application. We'll grab this here and we'll paste that just right here. And then the last thing that we'll do is do this app.use. So this should resemble roughly what your code looks like already, and you can integrate it just like I have right now. So we'll come back over here and do app.use, Moesif middleware, and then we want to make sure that this server.apply middleware app is after this app.use. And then I'm going to save that. Now I'm going to do another node app.js, which is the file that I'm using. Bring up the server again. Make sure that you've saved it if you're using VS Code. And from here, what we should see at the bottom is no data received yet. I will then hit this endpoint again. I've got the data back here. Now we should see it come through here in a moment. Data has been received, so that means that our API request that we sent through, that data has now propagated over into Moesif, so that integration is complete. Now we'll click next. If we do have someone that we want to add to our organization here, we could invite them now. We don't have anyone else right now to invite, so I'm going to click finish. And lastly, what you'll see here is my GraphQL request has come through and all of my data is there with it. And that's how easy it is to integrate Moesif with your GraphQL APIs.